Hi, I'm Paige. I'm the Junk Witch, and today we're going to talk about aluminum foil, possibly the most versatile ritual tool of all time. Aluminum foil is really easy to find. It's really cheap, and for folks who maybe like to be a little more discreet about their practices, it's something you can have around without anybody really noticing or questioning why you have it. But there's some cool stuff about it too. I really wanted to know if there were any known correspondences, associations, alignments between aluminum as a metal and any planets or elements or anything cool like that. So obviously I consulted, Scott Cunningham, who has an encyclopedia for everything. And aluminum is actually in here, but he kind of doesn't know what it is about either. Because he says aluminum is a modern metal. It wasn't really used ritually historically by any people, so what we know about it is all based on modern usage. So he decided that the correspondents were air because aluminum is used in the manufacturing of airplanes and it's kind of light and airy. And he also decided that it corresponds with mercury because it kind of resembles mercury and is found a little more commonly, so it can be switched out for that ingredient. And I just think it's kind of funny that the authority on all things magical associations would write that in his book and just be like, I don't know, but they use it to make airplanes. So, why can't we do that too? We are going to do that. We're smart. So if you take Cunningham's correspondences, associations, alignments as true, or if you make up some of your own, like I think aluminum could also correspond with the moon, just like silver does, that opens up basically the whole world of spellwork. I mean, that gets us into manifestation and communication and banishing and travel and all kinds of good stuff. So it's all sitting right there, right on a little cardboard tube in your kitchen. It's also really moldable. You can make it into anything and then take it apart just as easily. So you can make yourself a whole altar just out of aluminum foil. Like you can make a bowl for moon water, or a wand, or a crystal charging plate, or a weird goddess crone figure, or a candle / incense holder. So everything you need right there, just out of tin foil. And then you can take it apart just as easily and hide it away, and nobody will ever know that you did a spell for calling in all of your ancestors to stop them from leaving their dirty dishes in the sink. Well, that's all I got for you this time. Hopefully that's enough to get the gears turning, and let me know if you come up with anything else cool. Like, I definitely want to know about all of your baked potato spells, your aluminum foil shrines, weird ritual crone goddess instruments that may or may not come to life right after this video ends. Thanks!